Okay, good morning, everybody. My name's Kathleen, and I'm one of the meteorologists here at the National Weather Service, and I will be running your weekly briefing for today. This covers the period today, the 13th, through Sunday, the 19th. Here's a look at this week's weather pattern. We had some rain move through overnight, but the forecast itself is largely going to be dry for the rest of the work week. You can see that we've got high pressure building in. We do have a dry cold front that's expected to move through middle of the week, but it should not bring any rainfall to our area. However, the mountains may see a little bit of precipitation. Our next chance for some rain will come with the second cold front this weekend, sometime Saturday or Sunday. And that's, again, shown here in the precipitation forecast. You can see that for the first few days, we're not expecting any measurable precipitation for the area until Saturday and Sunday, and that's where the week's worth of rainfall comes from for the most part. This is the outlook here for 8 to 14 days from the Climate Prediction Center. You can see that there's high chances for below normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. So more of kind of the same what we've been seeing for the last couple weeks. And with no chance for precipitation the next few days, there's also no chance for any severe weather, so that should not come as a surprise to any of us here. We do have one area of interest out in the tropics in the Atlantic. However, it's all the way out near the Azores, and so that's not expected to cause us any problems here, and there is no other area expected to develop in the next 5 days. And the main story for this week and through the weekend is going to be the temperatures. So you can see the high temperature graph there on the top. It looks like a roller coaster, so that's kind of what we're going to be seeing here. And that dotted line is just the average temperature over the next 5 days, so about 58 degrees. You can see the 7-day forecast on the bottom there. The coolest night is going to be Tuesday night. However, beyond our 7 days and probably looking into next week, if you want to get a head start, it does look like we will get some pretty strong cold air behind that front for early next week. And to summarize, this past week we had temperatures below freezing for the entire area of central North Carolina, which has ended our frost freeze program for this year. So we will resume those watches and advisories in the spring. The rain that we've had tonight has largely moved out of the area. There's a few lingering showers over the coast and the Outer Banks, and those will continue to dissipate and move away from the area, with the rest of the week remaining dry. And we will see some advection of colder, drier air. However, the stronger push of cold air will be delayed a bit and come in later tonight and into tomorrow. I already told you about the roller coaster ride of temperatures, which was shown on that graph there and demonstrated that pretty well. We do have a series of cold fronts, so that's what gives you kind of the increase and then decrease and then increase and then decrease again. We don't have any record temperatures that are in jeopardy with any of this cyclic type of temperature pattern. Normals for this time of year are in the mid-60s for RDU and low 40s overnight. So we'll see temperatures slightly below normal to lows around normal for this time of year. Generally, the weather will be dry with an increasing chance of showers over the weekend with a cold front and no tropical or severe concerns on the horizon. So with that, I will open it up to any questions. Okay, it doesn't look like anybody's got any questions. If you think of something, go ahead and email it back when I forward you this briefing. Otherwise, hope everybody has a great week, and we will see you next week.